Time after time after time, Chanel is on my mind, but I'm never satisfied. No, I'm never. Hello! Ciao a tutti! Welcome back to my channel. Dobrodošli na moj kanal. I'm back with yet another video, and this is gonna be a review and unboxing of my Chanel 19 bag in the Maxi size. Stay by to unbox this beauty with me and let me share my first thoughts around this bag. So, I have received this a couple of days back, and I have left it as I got it. Obviously, I put it back a couple of times because I was waiting for my insert to arrive to use it with this bag, but this is what you expect to receive the bag in if you get it from a boutique. I receive it second hand from a very reputable seller that I usually get my stuff from if I get second hand. The bag came in the Chanel bag like this with the camellia flower, and then inside we have this big Chanel box. Let me just get this out. It's very easy because it's quite big. There. Ta-da! Here we go. Let me put it the right way around. Ta-da! So inside here sleeps for the moment this wonderful Chanel 19 bag in the size Maxi. Okay, it opens like this with the magnetic flap, and it's inside this duster. Let me pull out the duster, and as you can see hear it rattling. It's inside here. Here is my receipt and the authenticity card, but to the bag in question. Ta-ta-ta-ta! Voila! So this is the Chanel 19 bag in the Maxi size. It is in this very nice dark red color with the gold hardware. The hardware on the turn lock here is more of shiny, while the hardware on the top handle is kind of vintage gold, as you can see here. The party trick of this bag is also it comes with a crossbody or a shoulder handle. So if I open it like this, here, the turn lock, you can see it has also a handle like this. And immediately I'll stop at this handle before I go inside the bag. The handle is, as you might know or not know, fixed in place, so you can't really make it longer or shorter. I'll try to demonstrate this bag on me. I'm 180 centimeters tall and around 75 kilos, and it drops like this if I put it on shoulder style. If I would crossbody it, let me do that for you so you see what we're talking about. I'm sorry about this. Okay, so it's quite high up. If I crossbody it, as you can see, for me it's not really a crossbody option. I can do it if I need to get it out of the way, but other than that, for me it's more of a shoulder bag or a top handle bag. Alright. Another interesting thing with this bag is it does have a little bit of a leather tab here on the shoulder when it gets heavy. So this is gonna come in handy, because if you would wear it only on the chain, this would be probably quite uncomfortable. The nice thing for me about the chain is it's two colors. It's vintage gold and also kind of ruthenium color. Some people like that, some people don't like that about this bag. I actually like it, which means for me that I can see this bag being used in any kind of scenario. When you are using just the top handle, it can be quite sophisticated looking. When you're rocking it, as a shoulder bag, it can be quite edgy, so it can be used in different scenarios. In the back it has a flap pocket which is magnetic, so you can hear it when I close it. It closes together, and it's big enough that you can put a phone in the back. Mine is made out of goat skin, so it's quite durable, I believe. There. So the bag is with this, and let's check the inside now. So as I said, turn lock to open. I have a bit of a stuffing inside, and also I have another thing inside which I'm gonna show you. I have an insert. If you can see it here, I'm gonna also pull it out. So the insert I got off Etsy, and it looks like this. This is gonna help the bag not to sag. Has a couple of pockets in the front, and it's made by Joint Bag. This is no way a commercial for Joint Bag, but so far I'm really satisfied with it, and it was priced really reasonably, and it came in quite fast. This is gonna help this bag not to sag, because otherwise than that, this bag is quite squishy, as you can see, so it's gonna definitely sag if you load it. Inside there is a fabric interior, plus it has a zipper compartment here on the top. Mine still has foils over the Chanel sign. Aside from this zipper top compartment here, it doesn't have any other compartments, I believe. Let me zip it. Yeah, that's it. It's just a big opening inside, so it doesn't have any additional pockets. So therefore I would really recommend you to go with a bag organizer, because this is gonna give you options. For example, let me just, so I will have a big compartment here and a couple of smaller compartments here. For example, I could do my card holder here on the side and then put it inside of the bag like this. Voila, and close it. So this is the biggest size. It's the Maxi Chanel 19 bag. For size comparison, I brought out my Louis Vuitton Porte Document Jour, and as you can see, these two bags are pretty similar in size. Let me just try to grab it like this. Porte Document Jour is a bit bigger, but not by much more. And obviously this is meant more as a briefcase computer bag. I do believe a computer would also fit inside this bag. As a matter of fact, let me see if I have something that we could try this in. Potentially I could try. I have case here, actually not a case but a keyboard for an iPad, and we can try to put that in. It's actually here. Just give me a second to grab it. So this is a keyboard case for a 13 or 12.9 iPad Pro. So basically this can mimic your MacBook 13 for sure. So if I open this bag now and see if I could put this inside. Okay, so with the insert inside, and if I put this in, I'm actually able to close it. Yeah, even with the insert inside. So this is now inside this bag, and to prove it that I'm not cheating here, if we open this, you can see it's in here. So this is a case and a keyboard for an iPad Pro 12.9. Fits with additional stuff inside this bag without any big problems. So this is size-wise. If you have any questions about this beautiful bag, as always, do let me know. I'm here, and I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you did so, please give me a like, and subscribe if you didn't do before. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.